How to sell on eBay. So step one, create an eBay seller account. Go to ebay.com, click register and sign up. Choose personal or business. Once logged in, you can now go to account settings. Here under account settings, you have to look for payments. And under payments, you have to link your bank account to get paid. So you have to enter and add bank information here. So once done, then step two, you need to research what to sell. So before listing, you can search eBay for similar items. And then you have to click sold listing filter to see what price they actually sold for. But actually, this one's optional. You can just search for an item right here. So, for example, if you want to sell this item, if you have the product same as this product right here, you can now scroll down and look for sell now, which is below the product. So, tap on sell now right here. So, here's step four. You need to write your listing. Of course, you will see here title, photos, category, item specifics, condition, and description. So what to do, you need to use keywords. Buyers would search for title. Photos, you need to use clear, well-lit images. You can use at least 3 to 5 photos. Category, eBay usually selects this for you. Item specifics, you need to add here the size, the brand, color. This will help search visibility. Condition, is it new, used, for parts, or etc. Description, write a simple, honest description, includes measurement, defects, etc. Once done, you can now proceed with the prices. So set your price. You can choose auction, buyer speed over time, buy it now, fixed price, recommended for beginners, buy it now with a competitive price, and then use eBay's pricing suggestion and sold listings as guide. As easy as that. So choose who pays shipping, you or the buyer. eBay gives discounted rates. Use calculated shippings rather, and pack the item securely and wait for accurate shipping. Now you can review your listing and then click list item. As easy as that. Now eBay will notify you when the item sells and then it's shipped quickly. You can use a track shipping method, mark as a ship in your seller dashboard. Funds are released to your account after delivery information. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.